Good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in our tiny balcony. Here, it's our neighbor. See that road that's going to the Lake Park. That road is going to that road. You see that road, that street going to Lake Park. It's like a foggy day in UAE today. Very cold. Last night is so cold. I went out 7 o'clock in evening, early evening. Very cold. I feel like the cold temperature is going to inside my brain. This is our small balcony. But the sun is not coming here in the morning. Only afternoon sunlight. But now, the sun is not coming here because it's like cloudy or foggy. A foggy day in UAE because of the cold temperature. Okay. Anyway, guys, happy Friday and happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend. I'm here in our small balcony. This is our neighbor. It is dark if I'll put the camera. See. The next building is so very noisy. There is a big machine. I don't know what is inside. It's always closed. It's like a stock room or a factory. There is a noise of the machine, a big machine. Anyway, guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave comment or suggestion. Of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy weekend, everyone. Bye.